Jason Nappy with us here now. Quite the shock to the body, the weather today. We had summer yesterday, winter today. We were driving through Brunswick and I was checking with you. I believe it was sleet, not hail, that we saw coming down.
Yeah, simple version is summertime it's hail, sleet it's winter.
Got
it. Yesterday we were summer, today we're in winter.
Yeah.
That's Maine. We skipped over a season in a day. That's what happens around here. We'll take a look at the maps if we have them. There it is. How about the countdown? Yeah, I mean, Halloween is 2 days away, so clearly we're still technically in fall. We're not in winter yet, but Mother Nature skipped the season in the last 24 hours. As you can see here clearly this evening, if you're walking outside in Greenville, 39 degrees at 7 o'clock. That cold air pouring in from the north. There will be showers in southern Maine this evening. Northern Maine, down east, dry. Chilly though, break out the winter coat. Notice it's all rain to our south. But then I'll stop it here for around 7 o'clock in the morning, a wake up time. Look at the state. It's covered in precip. Here's that rain snow line. Actually, sleet, yes, as Alex is talking about here in this kind of orange shade, pink shade, right around Bangor. You're on that battleground between where the frozen precip's going to be to over to rain to a little bit on the snowy side, especially in Millinocket, but it's going to be all rain southern Maine and the down east coastline, and into the day, middle of the day at noontime, it's light snow, Caribou, the North Woods, and Greenville. As we get through Monday, the snow is going to wrap up eastern part of the county, Caribou south. You're going to see that Halton at 7 o'clock. And watch out for a flash freeze in the county tomorrow evening because the temperature goes down and there's going to be snow on the ground. So I'm very concerned about that. And then as we get to Tuesday morning, very cold Tuesday morning. Wind chills in the teens up north, 20 south. Here's the precip here. Here's the rainfall side of the storm here. Close to an inch down Portland, about 3/4 of an inch, Lewiston half an inch. Here's the snow, the frozen side of the storm. I don't have the sleet here, because I don't think there's going to be that much accumulation of sleet, but an inch or less of snow from around Bangor, northern part of Bangor, heading up to Millinocket, Greenville, 2 to 6 inches here up in the northern highlands, the North Woods, the Boundary Plateau, the western mountains over towards Jackman. That's where you get that closer to 6-inch number there. Now, Alex and I talked yesterday. We don't dance like this mummy, but can tell you he's got the boogie going on. What is it, Alex? 40, 34, and 31 for the kids Tuesday. Snow, rain out of here. Halloween extremes, as you can see here, the warmest high was back in 46. That was 80. We're not going to have that. It's going to be more like 40. Mariners are at 3 to 4 feet. The next 3 days, you're going to see it's rainy and cold Monday. Snow north. Tuesday, we dry out for Halloween. And then Wednesday, it's a few clouds. And then it's sunny and cool. It's not bad, although we don't get to the 50s until Friday. That's how long it's going to take to see 50 again. So we have gone from 80 for a high to now how about 40s for highs. And I can tell you our friends up north, they're going to be in the 30s for highs. So a drastic difference.
Happy to see some sun in there, though.
Yes, sun makes it all okay.
All right, thank you, Jason. We'll be right back.